The rail industry is not going to shut down the rail to train somebody how to weld on the back of a locomotive. So how do we take that learner to that environment without stopping their processes, without stopping the movement of goods? So we came up with building this in virtual reality. The client in the Class 1 space came to us with the ask of customization, essentially. They were already leveraging virtual reality to train some of their welders, but the environment they were welding in was just a generic warehouse space. The challenge that they were looking to solve was creating the environment that did not exist today, which was working on the back of a locomotive or out in a rail yard. So they came to us with the ask of, are you able to customize or build different type of environments for our welders to learn in? With our experience in working with one of the largest welding companies in the world around some virtual reality simulations, the answer to that question was obviously yes. In our experience of working with multiple Class 1 rail clients in the space and taking all that knowledge expertise that we've already gathered throughout our multiple experiences with them, we were easily able to take some of those 3D modeled assets and recreate a brand new environment to take that learner out into the field where they actually would be performing these tasks. The client in the rail space doesn't necessarily utilize this as a tool to teach folks how to weld. Most of these folks already come to them already having experience in this space, but they're utilizing it to allow them to gain some muscle memory for some unique different type of cuts and welds that they need to make. The rail industry is not going to shut down the rail to train somebody how to weld on the back of a locomotive. So what's made this project impactful is the fact that we can take the learner into environments that they necessarily wouldn't be able to access. There's a multitude of benefits that came from doing this in virtual reality. One of the first ones was the reduction of waste. As you can imagine, these folks going through and practicing welding is utilizing all the pieces of equipment and tools that they utilize. So being able to do that in a virtual setting, allowing folks to do things multiple times, make mistakes, and not have any repercussions from those actions, allowing them to go back and then perfect their craft in that virtual setting has been a massive win and reduction in loss for the rail industry. If you found this video interesting or have ever ran into customization challenges in this space, we'd be more than happy to have a conversation with you. Feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn or check out our website at roundtablelearning.com.